So we got an Amazon package came in the mail today. All right. Cool. Let's take a look at these bad boys. Comes in a little plastic package here. Gotta say, these look slick. Yeah, these look slick, y'all. I'm feeling that. Alright, so we're gonna just take these out the pack and then we're gonna go over each one. Look at that, y'all. Now these look baby blue, but these are actually like a teal and not baby blue. Yeah, these slick, yo. So let's check out some of the shoes that we got. So the first pair that I pulled out was these black and these white ones. Got the black one here. I love this, man, I'm loving this sole here. I'm loving this bottom. Check this out, yo. Look at this bottom of that. That's slick. Check out the bottom of the sole here. I don't know what this says over here. This says 400 pounds. Here with a bag. Got like a little strap. Got a little strap back there. But it's just a slick shoe. This black and white one I really like. I'm gonna probably be rocking these a lot. The writing or right on right below the tongue there. But yeah, that's a nice shoe. Those are the black and whites. Here go the teal pair. At the bottom of it, that's not too bad. That side right there, that's not bad. And then here is the yellow pair. These bad boys look nice too. I like just that bright contrast with that black lettering on them. Check the bottom out. Everything looked really solid here, man. Everything looked good. Nothing really looks cheap or cheesy like that. Some people may be a little, off-put by this bottom portion, but I actually like it. I've worn the red pair of these and they super comfortable. I like those. Let's get a look at the lettering under the tongue. The 5,400 pounds, weight securing. I'm not sure what that is. Super comfortable shoes, lightweight. I'm gonna be using these for running and walking. I paid a total of $106 for all three altogether. So that's not bad. $106 altogether. That's not bad at all. These actually went on sale. So the last time I bought these, they were roughly around $40 a pair. I thought they were like right around $35, but they were right like at $38 or $40 a pair. They were on sale, or the price ended up dropping, and so these were right around $33 a pair. So I ended up getting these all together like $106 or $109. So it's not bad at all. I'll drop the link in the description so you guys can check out these shoes yourselves on Amazon. I'm gonna drop my link for my storefront. I'm gonna place these shoes in my storefront, so you can purchase them from there if you are interested, and it gives me a small percentage of it as well. It helps me out. I'm looking to be a Amazon influencer in the next coming months, so I'm pushing and driving more of my sales and more of the products that I actually like and stand by, and that you'll see me wear and vouch for on a day-to-day basis. That's it for this video, and I will catch you guys later, man. Peace.